Tigas yung cookie.
Not me.
How was it? Masarap yung cookie nila? Yeah. Today we're going to make a sugar cookie ornament kit.
I know. I want to do the socks. I'd like to do
Ito, binili na lang namin sa sobeys nung ni
Mama, I want to do the socks.
Gyros para
First me.
kasi hindi ako maano talaga
Mama,
mag-bake.
first me.
Wait lang. I need to
I want to do the socks.
Yeah, wait lang. Okay.
I like to see.
See, oh.
Wow.
Oh, may pagpipilian ka. Pwedeng bell. What's
I
this?
want them.
The sock and the ornament.
I want to do the socks.
Yan, gusto mo yan.
Yeah.
Teka lang, wait.
Mama,
Only one first. Apo. Oh, si Kuya, ang pinila niya, bell. Tapos si Joem, ang pinili niya is stinky socks. Akala ko pa naman, nakalagay siya sa ano.
I want to do green.
You'll do like this, oh.
Okay.
Ganon, ha?
Okay.
Tapos do like that. Yan, ganyan. Aka na, Joem. Give it to me.
Can you do that for
Ano lang, ha?
mine?
Oh. Little by little lang, oh. Sige na, you can...
How does I can't stay at the line.
Which one do you like?
I can't stay at
Do you
the
need
line.
nanay's help?
Yeah.
Okay.
Joanne, that's what you want. Look at my decorate. What was this?
That's J. What do you call your masterpiece? Super Bell? Master? Master Dab cookie?
Yeah, Master Dab cookie. Is
How-
that Korean?
How about you? What do you call your cookie?
Happy Triangle Dab.
Happy triangle. Okay. 1, 2, eat it! Tigas yung cookie.
Not me.
How was it? Masarap yung cookie nila? Yeah. Sige nga. Mine is ganyan. Ayaw ko lang masyadong matamis. Oh. Guys, tignan nyo naman. Yan. Expectation versus reality. Hirap. Wala kang,
What does that sound?
hindi mo gamay yung yung pag-pipe kasi nga ganito lang siya, oh.
What does that sound?
Yung iginan mo lang sa dulo. O talagang syunga-syunga lang akong gumamit nito. Kaya, ayoko nang masyadong maraming matamis, kaya ganyan lang ginawa ko sa cookie ko. So, what do... Kain tayo, guys. Gradation hot chocolate. It's a little bit hot, huh?